Mymoonas kitchen with Shaariq.
Okay. What all are there? Can you tell me?
Pressure to Kirudiya. The coconut milk. Water added coconut milk. Fenugreek sweets.
How many you have to put? You put some few.
One.
Put in the vessel. Few. Some 10 you put. No need to count. Put it together. Okay. Enough. Close it.
Carrot to cut to the pieces. 1 garlic smashed. Rice, garlic, chili, onion,
Sliced onion.
sliced onion, tomato, potato cut potato. Now we put
What is this? This you didn't tell.
this one is mask.
Okay. Now we'll put oil. Now tell.
To put the curries. Now we
Then remove and put it in there.
one. Now first. Now first is this.
Like this you have to do. Enough, finished. Don't put all the.
Put in carrot. So much.
Put it fully. Okay.
Then
Garlics.
okay, which
Okay. Tell loud what you are putting
this
and then
one.
fully put it. Clean it and put the bowl.
Sliced onion, tomato,
Chili, green chilies and ginger slices. Put it.
this potato. I'm going
Then
to
tell loud what.
potato.
Shout without shouting. Add the potatoes.
Add the potatoes.
Then
Then
add. Then what is there remaining?
Mymoonas.
Mass. Mass will be tasty or what?
Yeah.
How it will taste? Then now we have to add the watery coconut milk. Add it.
What?
Add the coconut milk. You only slowly without spilling you add.
I can't.
Little.
Enough salt and boil with this.
That last we have to pour, not now.
Then. Hi friends, wait for the video. It's boiling. The vegetables get cooked.
Tell me.
Thick coconut milk. Thick coconut milk.
When we should add it?
When it boils soon.
Okay. Then sing one song what you know.
Why?
Simply. People will watch know then. Sing. ABCD you sing.
Why they put this thing?
Oh?
Why they put
Yeah, over only they will put. Apron. What is it?
up front? Even there you see.
Very beautiful. Who made it?
Taiwan. Even there see fork and 1 spoon. Invitation there.
Then you sing, we'll see. Put the hand like this in the pocket and sing, we'll see. ABCD you sing.
A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y and Z. Now I know by ABC. Next time won't you sing with me? Huh? Then we'll wipe it with a broom.
I will wipe it, don't worry.
No,
No, I'll wipe it at last.
I wipe it.
You will wipe. Okay.
Now, auntie. Children don't touch the fire, it will be hot.
In your how many years you can touch fire, Amma has told?
2 years.
How many years?
10.
கஞ்சா பூவு கண்ணால செப்பிச்சல உன்னால இடுப்பு வெட்டி அவரு ரெடி நீ சிரிச்சா கண்ணால கஞ்சா பூவு கண்ணால செப்பிச்சல உன்னால இடுப்பு வெட்டி அவரு ரெடி நீ சிரிச்சா கண்ணால ஓ தட்டாங்கை பல்லால நீ சொன்ன ஒத்த சொல்லால சூரியனையும் உடப்பேண்டி கவட்டை எடுத்து கல்லால கருப்பட்டி கரைச்சு செஞ்சு வச்ச சிலையா பட்டரிசி போட்ட பொங்கப்பான ஓலையா கருப்பட்டி கரைச்சு செஞ்சு வச்ச சிலையா பட்டரிசி போட்ட பொங்கப்பான ஓலையா ஈர கொலைய சொரண்டி என்ன
Not to cook.
Hi, biryani. Kirudiya and I don't know. Kirudiya smell.
What smell is coming?
Kirudiya smell. Vegetable saga we cook. Vegetable saga can cook. Become maybe.
So soon.
One day I make tea and stuff, friends. Hey, guys, I hope you like this recipe. Onion this stick bar. Onion this stick.
Onion this and all.
Potatoes, vegetables cooked well. Now this we have to wipe it.
And that later we'll wipe.
This we have to pour it in that.
What is it?
This one is just take coconut milk.
Touching, huh?
Yeah.
கஞ்சா பூவு கண்ணால செப்பிச்சல உன்னால இடுப்பு வெட்டி அவரு
Now we boil them in a raw way. Recipe will be it.
Then say thank you and bye bye.
Thank you. Bye.
Look here and say.
Thank you. Bye bye.
Show bye bye.
Thank you. Bye bye.
Look here.
Thank you. Bye bye.